Group that I'm really into is RIIZE. I think RIIZE has been putting out freaking fire, by the way, each time with Impossible. Like, listen to Impossible. My hat keeps on messing up. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's a bass.
My baby like to string me up.
We can't just start like that. What the hell? What does that mean? Well, I guess we're going on the bass. To be honest, I'm glad they put emphasis on the bass, because I feel like some bass in a song, if there was no bass in a song, it just doesn't feel whole. So you need the bass. But what the hell? Find that bass.
My baby like to string me up.
What does that mean though? My baby like to string me on, like, of the bass? Damn, don't look at me like that, sir. Imagine your bass on flow. Bro, their footwork is crazy each time. God damn.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.